Are you ready to step into the world of instant photography but don't know where to start? Fear not, aspiring shutterbugs. In this digital age where selfies reign supreme, the charm of instant cameras is making a daring comeback. Picture this: capturing memories on the spot and watching your photos develop right before your eyes. Talk about instant gratification! Stick around as we unveil the best instant photography cameras for beginners, perfect for capturing those Kodak moments without any need for an advanced degree in photography. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Fujifilm Instax Mini 11, our pick for best budget instant photography camera for beginners. If you're ready to dive into the whimsical world of instant photography without emptying your wallet, allow me to introduce you to the Fujifilm Instax Mini 11, your new best friend in capturing those spontaneous moments of joy. Weighing in at just 10.4 ounces, this camera is as light as your weekend plans and just as fun. You'll love its sleek body and transparent ring lens, which give it a charmingly retro vibe. And let's talk about automatic exposure. This clever little device makes sure you capture perfect shots every time, adjusting itself to lightning-quick shutter speeds in any setting. Whether it's a lively party or a cozy evening in, your photos will shine. Or should I say, sparkle. Now here's where it gets really exciting. The one-touch selfie mode. No need for awkward angles or fumbling with attachments, simply extend the lens barrel until the selfie mode mark pops up. Trust me, your Instagram will thank you for it. Powered by just 2 AA batteries, the Instax Mini 11 is here to party wherever you go. So grab your friends, strike a pose, and let the laughter roll as you create instant memories that will last a lifetime. With this charming little camera in hand, your world is about to get a whole lot brighter. Get ready for moments that are not just captured but cherished. Number 4. Kodak Printomatic, our pick for best zero-ink simplicity instant photography camera for beginners. If you've ever found yourself in a photo-friendly moment only to realize your trusty old camera was back at home, fear not. The Kodak Printomatic is here to save the day. This snazzy little gadget combines fun, function, and a dash of flair, perfect for anyone looking to capture life's spontaneous adventures. With a 5-megapixel sensor and a wide-angle f2 lens, you'll snap vibrant photos faster than you can say cheese. The beauty? You can take a new shot while the last one is printing, because who has time to wait? And for those low-light moments when your friends are dancing like no one's watching, the built-in flash will jump into action, ensuring you never miss a beat. Forget the hassle of ink cartridges or film. Thanks to the Kodak Zinc photo paper, you'll get immediate prints that are not only vibrant, but also water-resistant and tear-proof. You can toss these snapshots in your bag without a care in the world. And let's talk style. Choose from a vibrant spectrum of colors that reflect your personality. Compact enough to slide into your pocket, the Printomatic guarantees that you'll always be ready to capture those unforgettable moments on the fly. So, grab your Kodak Printomatic and let the adventures begin. Still searching for the perfect instant photography camera for beginners? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Polaroid Go, our pick for best ultra-portable instant photography camera for beginners. If you're on the hunt for a camera that fits snugly in your pocket and packs a punch of creativity, the Polaroid Go is your perfect partner in crime. This ultra-portable instant photography marvel is designed specifically for beginners who want to capture life's moments with a sprinkle of nostalgia and a dash of fun. With its new mini film format, you'll be experiencing that beloved Polaroid magic in a bite-sized version. Perfect for anyone who appreciates visuals that are adorable and insta-ready. Not only does this camera come with a double pack of Go color film for capturing 16 enchanting moments, but it also boasts a design that's 30% recycled. So, while you're capturing memories, you're doing your bit for Mother Earth. Say goodbye to complicated camera settings. Thanks to automatic exposure control, all you need to do is strike a pose. Plus, with the built-in self-timer and reflective selfie mirror, you can frame your best angle without feeling rushed. Whether you're at a party or just goofing around, the Polaroid Go is always selfie-ready. Charging is a breeze with its USB-C capability. No more searching for outdated cables. Grab your Polaroid Go and transform the mundane into the memorable with every click. So, are you ready to create, laugh, and capture the quirky, candid moments that make life so wonderfully unpredictable? Your adventure in instant photography awaits. Number 2. Kodak Mini Shot 3 Retro, our pick for best 2-in-1 hybrid instant photography camera printer for beginners. If you've ever dreamed of being the life of the party, your secret weapon has arrived, the Kodak Mini Shot 3 Retro. This nifty gadget is not just your ordinary instant camera, it's a 2-in-1 hybrid that blends the thrill of capturing moments with the magic of printing them on the spot. Whether you're at a birthday bash or a cozy get-together, you can snap a pic, decide if it's worthy, and print it out right there. And guess what? Printing won't break the bank. With the Kodak Mini Shot 3 Retro, you get to enjoy that instant gratification without the wallet-crushing cost, especially if you snag one of those sweet bundles. But wait, there's more! Thanks to the cutting-edge 4PASS technology, you'll be printing professional-quality photos in mere seconds. These prints are not just pretty faces, they're laminated layers of awesomeness that resist fingerprints and water, ensuring your memories last longer than your last phone battery. Feeling creative? Choose between bordered photos, perfect for jotting down a little note or quirky quote, or go bold with borderless prints for that Instagram-ready vibe. So, get ready to unleash your inner photographer and start building your gallery of unforgettable moments with the Kodak Mini Shot 3 Retro. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Fujifilm Instax Mini 12, our pick for best instant photography camera for beginners overall. If you've ever wished for a personal photographer that fits snugly in your pocket and isn't afraid to capture life's spontaneous moments, then say hello to the Fujifilm Instax Mini 12. This isn't just any instant camera, it's your new best friend in the world of photography, especially if you're just dipping your toes into the art. With its compact and adorable design, all you have to do is give the lens a gentle twist to switch it on. No complicated buttons or confusing settings here. The built-in selfie mirror is a game changer, letting you take those fabulous self-portraits without the awkward angles. Plus, thanks to the close-up mode with parallax correction, those everyday details will pop rather than fizzle out. Worried about your shots looking like they were taken during a solar eclipse? Fear not! The Mini 12 features automatic exposure and flash control, ensuring your photos are bright and well-balanced. No more washed-out wonder, just pure photographic charm. Weighing in at just a pound and packed with vibrant film, you can take this camera everywhere, from cozy coffee shops to roaring birthday bashes. Whether you're capturing memories with friends or documenting your latest brunch spread, the Instax Mini 12 has got your back. So grab one, unleash your inner photographer, and let the good times roll. Phew, we made it! That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best instant photography cameras for beginners. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which instant photography camera for beginners you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.